Hello, everyone, and welcome to EnglishEdge Studio, the podcast where learning English is simple, fun, and practical.
I'm James.
And I'm Lisa.
Whether you're just beginning your English journey or you've been studying for years, you're in the right place.
Today's topic is English as a second language. Millions of people around the world are learning English every day. And if English isn't your first language, remember that you're not alone.
We'll share useful ideas, personal experiences, and practical tips that can help you become a more confident English speaker.
So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and let's begin today's conversation.
Lisa, why do you think so many people want to learn English?
English is an international language. People use it for travel, business, education, entertainment, and communication. Knowing English opens many doors.
I agree. It helps people connect with others from different countries.
Exactly. Even if two people have different native languages, English often becomes the language they use to communicate.
Many learners tell me they're afraid of speaking English because they're worried about making mistakes.
That's one of the biggest challenges. But mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every fluent speaker made mistakes when they were learning.
I remember learning another language. I made plenty of mistakes, but each one taught me something new.
That's why learners shouldn't wait until their English is perfect before speaking.
Practice is much more important than perfection.
Absolutely. Speaking every day, even for 10 minutes, can make a huge difference.
What are some simple ways people can practice?
They can talk to themselves, describe what they're doing, keep a journal, or join online conversation groups.
Watching English videos with subtitles also helps.
Yes, start with English subtitles instead of subtitles in your native language. That improves listening and reading at the same time.
Podcasts are another excellent resource.
Definitely. Listening every day trains your ears to understand natural English.
Sometimes learners say, I know many words, but I can't speak.
That's because vocabulary alone isn't enough. You need to use those words in sentences.
So instead of memorizing long word lists, learners should practice conversations?
Exactly. Learn words in context. For example, don't just learn the word book. Say, I'm reading an interesting book.
That's much easier to remember.
It also teaches grammar naturally.
Speaking of grammar, many learners spend years studying grammar rules.
Grammar is important, but communication comes first. You don't need perfect grammar to have a conversation.
Native speakers sometimes make grammar mistakes too.
That's true. Communication is about sharing ideas clearly.
Another challenge is pronunciation.
Pronunciation improves through listening and repeating. Shadowing is a great technique.
Can you explain shadowing?
Of course. Listen to a native speaker and repeat immediately, trying to copy the pronunciation, rhythm, and intonation.
That sounds like excellent speaking practice.
It really is. It helps your mouth become comfortable making English sounds.
Motivation is another important topic.
Yes, learning English is a marathon, not a sprint.
Some days you'll feel confident, and other days you'll feel frustrated.
That's completely normal. Progress doesn't happen overnight.
Small improvements every day lead to big results over time.
Celebrate small victories. Maybe today you learned 5 new words or understood an English video without subtitles.
Every achievement matters.
Another helpful habit is thinking in English.
Instead of translating everything?
Exactly. Start with simple thoughts like, I'm hungry, or it's raining today.
That helps your brain use English more naturally.
It also makes speaking faster because you're not translating first.
What's your advice for someone just starting to learn English?
Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday.
That's wonderful advice.
Stay curious, practice consistently, and enjoy the learning process.
Before we finish, let's leave our listeners with one final message.
Remember, every expert was once a beginner. Every sentence you speak helps you improve.
Keep listening, keep speaking, and never be afraid of making mistakes.
Your English journey starts with one conversation, and today's conversation is one more step toward fluency.
Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of EnglishEdge Studio.
We hope our conversation inspired you to practice English with confidence every single day.
If you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe, leave a comment, and share it with your friends who are learning English. Tell us where you're listening from and what English topic you'd like us to discuss next.
Until next time,
Keep learning
Keep speaking.
and keep believing in yourself.
Goodbye, and see you in the next episode.